Hey there, Nolan with MarineMax Rogers. We have this 2025 Nautique GS20, and I'm going to hop inside with you guys and show you a few of the features on this boat that I really like. I really like that this is a 100-year anniversary boat. Nautique has been making boats, or Craft has been making boats for 100 years, and it's a big accomplishment. And I think it's cool that they kind of just took an extra step, and in some badging, 100-year anniversary badging, just some details in the stitching and the things that Nautique is known for. They just kind of showing it off with their 100-year anniversary. Another thing I really like in this boat is the sound system. It's JL audio. You got speakers in the bow. It's a 20-foot boat, and you've got 4 speakers in the cockpit. You also have a subwoofer in the storage, and you also have the really great JL audio speakers on the tower. Really great sound, and it's one other thing I love about this boat. Lastly, I really like the versatility of the GS line from Nautique. It's a boat that's made to do anything that your family wants to do. Skiing, wakeboarding, wake surfing, you can tube. You can do really anything you want with this boat. It's the only boat in their lineup that actually has a ski mode. And you can see here, you go to slalom, and flattens that wake out. So if you're a slalom skier, or if you have a slalom skier in the family, but you also have a wakeboarder or a surfer, you can really accommodate everybody with this boat. It's got ballast, so your surfing is going to be a good surf wave, and you can empty it all out, and it's got a flatter hull, and you can really flatten out that wake and get a really great slalom skiing wake as well. It's one of the features that I really like about the GS lineup from Nautique.